Box is coming back tomorrow, Friday. I made a video on it, and tomorrow is the day. Bigger, better, blockier. It's gonna be nice. That's gonna be blocked off. New map there, probably. That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna be right there. New cosmetics. So if you have a lot of shiny rocks, you might spend the block tomorrow. Who knows? So I don't have a lot, so I can't say any of that. I don't know what's going on over here. Tomorrow, like 2 more days until you can revote. If you have already revoted, do so now. I'm still waiting for my merch to come, my plushie and my sweater. It's been like 2 months. Comment depressing if you're still waiting. Wee. What's that? California girls were unforgettable. Anyway, so basically, it's gonna be a big update. Oh, and by the way, it's not gonna be the only thing being added, because there's gonna be that tunnel thing I was talking about, and then like there's gonna be multiple, and since there's multiple, that means new maps like Monkey Blocks. So a new building, maybe parkour map. That virtual. Anyway, that's just my idea. See ya. In the first part, so the Monkey Blocks is coming back, obviously. So I have to meet more people, because that's who we get people not talking. Yep. Who's squeezing that? It's just like stuck in my ear. Anyway, new cosmetics. So if it still shows. It still shows.
Anybody in the server, man?
Okay, so if it still shows something like not a day, then you still have time to buy all the cosmetics you want. Just check your shiny rocks. Like, go check your shiny rocks, go over and get the cosmetics you want before they get changed. Maybe not all of them will get changed. Like, I'm sure the flashback probably won't, but like that won't and that won't.
The Monkey Blocks.
And the sign also shows how it's changed. Tomorrow is the day, bigger, better, and blockier. So, new map over there, obviously, because they're gonna block it fully off, because Monkey Blocks should be over there. They probably will remove the new cosmetics, the ones right there. Not like the OGs, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. But stuff like this. Replace it with an October one or a Christmas one. Pretty sure it has leaves in it, so still October. And I have a disguise on, don't worry. I'm not changing my outfit anytime soon, at least. That's what I think. Nightmare Headless might be gone, so go buy it while you can.